no me do a so I'm fine chairman. It should be Koso and I need to not to insult the man, but I was a make come some kakra. It's a can life fast. Our papa be na a friend. Evangelist Adele so I know. Em so onim abrabo mu asem onim I don't know. Yeah, nkofo castle abodam but now me feel say I don't know any life me Johnny. This is not the first time. Me mon shine koju no so na me mane nya aware say me ma bre wo wiase o. Ena ewiase sensate anyina anyepe a eka onfa saa ni suban no entina broche na onya obi mane nda na chi kra te se oba no fan ka di ope bia amfa nipa na estate no me feel say oh say na dream say no any issue the obeka bia obi anka but when it comes to me ma obi njira ho ka me ma ho asemboni Adele, whoever you call yourself, tell me won't me ban na me so. Na me akwala. I had my son when I was in school. So me kan nyoma ma fema. Wo untimi mfemu 1 minute. Enti sa wo nyame na ya cho na wo de obi aye Illuminati no obi aye okota. It's fine. Na yo abrabo na nyame aye bibia cho. But me pesa uhu ennese na me feel so ye panyi bi adwin bi wo wutin me feel say bia sabi eni se obi kasetia now they go ahead in kaza tia nipa ne se de opebia what me anya kokodra kan sante kasa e was social media say me Vivian J. Lawrence me ni me ba Clinton da wow ya dan ya outfit share me mami to me fubi or say your secret is your power ya fa bobra and asenka nipa adwene pa da ni tiri oye Ghana ni ofri krom ha bia na kofu froso de obi timi ne ba edawo but Ghana for de enka ye ho nipa odwene pa woni tiri mu no a wo adwene da ni tiri mo ye fe ni nipa no say nyina ya see ye social media like ya de ya nyoma be ba bontin dio e was say we do bibia ba bontin ya de be go social media wa evangelist ade ka benya space e was so abetena so ukra na woni adwinga wotim no ubenya space abetena so abeka asem bia ope me asantini akola te se wo minim de nye mimpemusuo sa sam na wodi wano kan ye no erade fa abone chawata what the can come who asempay e ko fa India ni ma mi bi picture e de betna ho e de beto page e be kan say Mimi Vivian J. me ye Illuminati really me come anu to mu because me hu ni say wo ye panyin na bia na maybe you are depressed. Maybe there's something wrong with you. Eya kakra no wadwen ba ho so a wo bejai what ka obi o wo ewiase nyina ho asomasi Yesu kwa waka no watem obi anka hwe ancho what did matem wa mankofo kwaya momu so didi matem kakra me kan manu tumu but e fa me ba ho de me kan manu tumu Erade Nyankopon no bo ye nyina no me so fa bo ne ncho asem we enne waka no se me ba Clinton die any wo afi really oye dieni papa mi busan obi ambusa ne mame oya Ghana ni enti na busuafo ohwa ma papa isa ode ade yi dia akowom obi ehwe na de ye me yanso se de woni pa bi wo hono ma de papa ni ye na obi ehu se sabi papa na dwene nye no ni pa bi so gini di etimi drop comment or no pe me ye nyoma mienu na meditiri ase me di Nyankopon hira ne na dumbi and the last thing I would do ebe ma sai nyame hira na free me so ama numi bi aba me so no minye evangelist na me kasa wo ye nipa bi a wo ye panyin tie ni se ye kasa tia wo emua even kraman yo mo de kraman cross kraman no kra no kraman ba ko wo ba ho be ma na so munyini a ya fo mo cross wo mo ye ko fo bi fufuro. So why are you talking like an animal? Why? Ubeko bia ho asma fa ne ho adi. Me say Nyankopon offer obone ncho for saying that. Omo ma frame me nyina say we ben men ka no. Me sorry but man ka bibia e ka ho. Akola bi ba be hu a papa wo man kola bi adwenbone wo na wo ye illuminati wo na wo kire kofo a kire bone kola na e ba no wo sem na wo keka na wo hwe wo Facebook no mo different ideas I dey tena bi ase e ye bone e dey kola na be ko bonsam je wo na wo dey ma wo mo je se wo be ma kola bi ideas onu ba da ko enye hwe right nti so onye ni nia hye dem ma no akoke kaninia no no de ne se akoke kaninia na be wi ache no ni nia na da right. And then no first and last are there. So be a unite. What you know is really now said them one na ma wo man what dey obiant me nya time nka wo yire no ma de omo nka ho mebwa wo yire no ma de omo nka illuminati no omo yani omo bi social me ever since I've been in this movie industry to be honest obikura who say you say ya kire say Vivian Jill say a boyfriend asem bia na wo se dan ya no wo ya me busuani a wo pe me ba papa hwe me matete me ba o me ba klenti matete wo nyame kwan so to the extent say me nya hokwo kra me ba klenti ontimi metnam so ne me di nkomo me ba no offering to the extent say o testament die mpo a obeso obusam ade a o testament ni age so de oteno. Even me in my house, he doesn't even have any right. Some me will fear. Or better me the oba me fear that they are me. Just say be a mini home. Me mami entertain me. Me mami di nyami sura some shame trim. Minimum dia yana minim dia enge. Ade wa fa won sam keka. Enya me maso. Won nyami busuani na sabi. Wo nyami too much. Those that they are very close to me, omuni me ba papa. Me ba no onim ne papa. Nyankopon wa so me say, "Ofan obane nchew, na no mi bia ewa obata oni ne ba da su bia no. Ofasa no me nim bra no ma so times 10." No mi bia me say, obata ya ni tirimu da ba. Oye no ma on bodam te sa wono no mi bia di sa de na chi no ade me se ene me fra de ma obi asori anu aka de ene de no ko obi asori anu a chod de opebia me pa me ho asem ti no there are certain things I don't even do like a star me nye nyoma bebre because me pa me ho asem and then suddenly bi wo ho e ba yana what's national dream what was on say ah ente ye nipa na atena se adwum we ana nipa ne pese sewa na no waka wan watu ya stars me to no obi di ya bone kwa we keep quiet because at the end of the day no say something bad bontin a nipa kwa no will be favored na nyenya e was ye nipa kwa na tia ye na so ni mom no na mansan nyina didi atem enti asem high and kwa no obi di ya bone kwa na me I just keep quiet and walk away because me nim china sem I am more than angry because what come and massam. What him how many years am I? So when you my books are doctors, you want money to walk when the bear man no money I walk. You got just pain. No money in your back. What him how many years? What him miscarriages? What him brother son in the media of each other? Who be draw the come to me some say I found me. Me say may God forgive you and your entire generation. Now some now I beg now I want now can I net just say me nyami peace me where I just have to come home because obi oni me bia the time that I'm sleeping with my son plenty. When you blah my bra was akala na ho. Unim brama bra was sakola no ho. And na wabeye bema se me yare na me da for man. Me ba we na betimi apagya me na. Don't say anything about them. Me sraw na why you lucky. Saka wo Ghana ha. Me say net Vivian Jo obiat me kasa da kam no betia yam. Adai. What so ya see me nim what reason to say as won nya Ghana ni for san kan santi kasa wo kan san we afiri wano wo yire gina ho atimi ammo wachi an kan cho say hani sua nyansa no wanyini wo yire so atena sia mo waka ono ko ye oba na wo so tufu waka sasem we say oh really so me ba clinton na timi anda ni awu alfi dia and wo yire nya careful because on market one is a crown on mother and she's not aware. Yes. Evangelist like there was evangelist like there was a wine. Me say this should be your first and last. If you say anything about me, maybe you man. If you say anything about me, maybe you man. Me say me jaw the woman ya me. Oh, my person will provoke me pana and some of this yet cano yadaka. Me adwuma na me yaniti no e was so bien ni bibia wo wiase bia no ni pahuma na. No, I wasn't born like that. Nah, I was never raised like that. Me ma no che me say ye kan ya no tum won no ma bi ho o che me say ye keep your secret because your secret is your power. O che me say ye gina obi so en hyasro. Enya ho afa wo laptop atnase enya ho sa wo kon bia ho asam afa wadi utimi gina okasa beku santana ege ne ba akoye sacrifice wo no na ebu nche na na form nya sacrifice ade bi na wawo wo no omo de omo nya num na te ho ade bi na wawo wo na wuti akodem na wa yese aboa bi na wote ona omo atwa ho hya o manage there is nothing wrong with them but yenya made Ubejina ha bebie wano abekasa me back Clinton da. Let me tell you something you don't know and you need to know now. Me ba na me won no. Me were 15 years na mo akola we. Me won 7 months and na papa bugu them. Ne papa sorry biem. Clinton almost said ne papa jina hot da. But I made a promise to the papa. I said I will take care of my boy and I will make sure that is what I'm doing. I am his father, I am his sister, I am his mother. Me and baby. It is all Kakalana Wakame. Me, my brother, who said me Clinton. Now, who cries when your brother was cheap? Oh, mamma, no, papa, to me, whoa, no, into a man who says, say, now, baby. At me, I tell you, now, what the armor, or be other four bets and I and I will over honey padre. Now, I think you're poison, will know, sir. Now I think you're poison. Me, grandma, bread will be a summer. But I know who knows. Shamati, no, Mrs. Ska. Or Shamati, no, Mrs. Ska. I never said the moon who will be a singing. The pure be a lunatic. May I lunatic just sinning, never in the grass home. Even this morning, I go for Sundays at the women. But I'm saying for another one. And to my million, I will even make up to 5,000 Ghana cedis. And to my 150 more than 1 week in it. Muriana edit them another Illuminati. I won't say much. I never complain of a person who evangelist are they who say starting for Bible, ne kind Bible no. Ne kacha nyankopɔ sɛ ohun mɔbɔ. No ye emwa adwene na da wutrim no mfiri wutrim. No ma wo nipa ketekete bi bɛ 6 months. Africa de na adwene nkyɛn. Akola o bɛ 6 months adwene fa 2-3 months an wakasa. Ne fa 2-3 asan wakasa. Ukasa te se gada niba. Ne kasa te se asante niba. Asante fo ya ne ya man na. Yenim dia ya yenim sunsan so e was for be masa. Who video na me Sunday man Alfie papa no. The only thing on Sunday by is he's a fool. Honey Mef, you know. And I was not responding. Or to then extend my greetings to him. Enti me fa me ba papa and met to social media because of ni pebi to say web evangelist that we are musician yana. And now we are musician. Me bisa open me ba papa hu na woni me ba papa na your wa broche stupid man what broche ho no woni omutimi nya kwan to kwan wo fiti ya no at kwan ana wo ha crash me dem kwa na obi to say web evangelist that be hu no o social media ba ke kansan fu afa no nti ti na me de na sie no oye noble resort say oye nipa papa bi chen o eti na me de na sie no me person nipa bi ti say wo e be ka de opa bi afa no ho because oye noble man wa bobra afa no ho ti say wo nti no enti na me de asie no e ka nipa bi omo dom yo omo kan nyansasem omo do omo bom paye ma me omo hu mi kuna omo hu me ba papa omo ba bom paye ma ye se be wie ye nkwa kam de na ba as nipa fu bi ti say wo nti no e na me de na asie wo de me say next time you can say anything you want to just go ahead and disgrace yourself now why go wani masia but when it comes to me ma don't try it me say asem na wo de wanu aka no evangelist no me bia eto asem ne so bia no me say emma wo ne wo maso e wo Yesu Kristo no boy no embra wo ne wo maso 100 times ne ho se de esitie ma wo ba nyini no wo no ne banda na wo tena se nya long life me hwe bi ne ho se de esitie baba dam na nti obi antimi nka no me feel say wo ye papa panyi bi wo ka asem bia kwa kuma wudufo nyina ye nunatis na ye ko float kuma wudufo nyina ye okot na ye adwuma de 1,500 2,000 kuma wudufo nyina ye okot na ye free cars ye adwuma ne atua ne kakra wo say ye tima was okot really. I'm sorry if makoma akosha mama kasa bi amempa won fan chame but asem we say no eja too much say nyankopon ma bra wa wo ho ne nyankopon a che me bi wa sua me wa sumdwe mu dia ni dia ba me fie no wo dia die we be tag me mada me man nyina ba be to ho wo dia die we be da ho now me papa yi ni twara ya kasa ne ma me na really me free papa ma busuam no mi bia ni bodafo bia ni ma busuam me se bodafo bia ti sa wo evangelist ade biara nim ena me ma me kire me de ye ene de enye wasabu ba wonya nipa bi bebre me kan san papa fa hunti and I'm sorry and I'm doing me ho even common interviews I don't even so be checking me me granting interviews because at the end of the day no what you said and what you never said and no meka into dynamic me baby and I'm not supposed to come to the world and show obia how my because I'm what I make a first celebrity me no I'm just a normal somebody I'm living my normal, cool, simple life. And I will let you know what you need to know. I will show what I feel. That is what I will show on social media. I'm not going to show anything or going to brag or going to show off to please anybody. No, that's not my life. Because me kuna met na ho what me akoftwe video bi e dia ba bet na ho that thing na wo wunya bi hwe no wunya ni video hwe no was after party o anopa bu se fo hia ya de no e na ke ye bi no ma ye party we bia se ka se bia am I the only celebrity ma wo a won fa ne ba papa mba ya na am I because me ba no adum binti papa ni hira bia wo mi sunti Yesu Kristo hu mo bra wo hu me abo me ne me man ho ban abedu oya yarefo bi na ogina ha ka sa na beka ai na nyakopo adum akola na timi agina hot sa na wa be ye be ma kakra bi o wase me kakra bi ntino watimi atena so wo wakonyam etimi agine ho say enne I am going to discuss Vivian Lawrence and her kids on social media to let people know that she's sleeping with her child. You are insane. You are sick. You are mad. Now was sent kao mama no papa poison we immediately you see assassin now we take kakasa ni see assassin. Now was sent kao mama no papa poison.